Have you ever found yourself in a meeting trying to stay in the moment and contribute ideas while also scrambling to jot down notes so nothing important slips through the cracks? Now you don't have to choose one over the other anymore. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Google's rolling out a new feature that lets Google Meet handle note-taking for your in-person meetings, not just video calls. Google announced this feature at its Google Cloud Next 2026 event in Las Vegas, and it's finally making its way to users. Starting a session is easy. Just open Google Meet in your web browser or on your phone, then tap the Take Notes button right on the home screen. Once you hit record, Gemini quietly gets to work, picking up on everything being discussed in the room. When the meeting ends, hit that same button once more to wrap up the recording. From there, Gemini organizes everything it captured into a neat summary, lists out the action items, and puts together the full transcript, all inside a fresh Google Doc. The doc is then saved into your Google Drive, and you'll also get an email with the links so you're not left digging for it later. If you're an admin, this feature is tied to your existing Google Meet note settings, so there's nothing extra to set up. As for rollout, Android users have started to see this from August 11th, while web users got it starting August 14th. iOS users will have to wait a bit longer, with the rollout beginning no sooner than August 31st. So depending on your platform, you might already have access, or you may need to wait a few more weeks for the button to show up. The feature is available to Business Standard and Plus, Enterprise Standard and Plus, Google AI Pro and Ultra Consumer plans, and Frontline Plus users. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.